channel. So today I have for you guys my deep fried Oreos recipe. And if you're new to this channel and you guys haven't yet, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button so you guys don't miss out on my new uploads. So this is a very delicious recipe. It's easy to make. So guys, let's get started. All right, so for our recipe, I have my Oreo that we'll be using, and this is milk, 1 egg. For the batter, we'll be using Kodak cakes. This is just a buttermilk and honey pancake mix. And I have some vegetable oil. I have maple syrup. I have ground cinnamon, almond extract, and confectionate sugar. All right, so first we're gonna start with our egg. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and, all right, we're gonna add some and for our maple syrup, we're only gonna use 1 tablespoon. We're gonna use 1 tablespoon for our maple syrup. Okay. We're also going to use 1 tablespoon of almond extract as well. All right, so we're gonna whisk. All right, so for our oil, we're gonna add, so we're gonna whisk all that in. Okay. Now we're gonna add our milk. Our pancake mix. Okay, so guys, always make sure you use a paper towel so the grease can drain out from the deep fried Oreos when you take them out the deep fryer. And now we're going to just sprinkle some confectionate sugar. All right, guys, so here you have it for our deep fried Oreos. So I'm gonna try it. Okay. It is so good, but also so bad. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.